Okay, in the first one, you need to spot that the angle at the centre is double the angle at the edge as a circle theorem. So x here must be twice the angle at the edge, which is 54, so x has to be 108. And then for y, both of these angles in a circle will add up to 360, so you would do 360, take away 108, which leaves you with 252 degrees. For the second one, it was the rule that angles subtended by the same arc, so in the same segment. So we start with this, the AB or AD line, then this angle here up to U will be the same as this angle here, which is 47, so U must be 47. If I do the same the other way around and start between C and B, then this angle is V, this one's 35, so V has to be 35 degrees. And then we can easily then do, if angles in a triangle add up to 180, 47, add 35 will give you 82, 180 minus 82 gives you 98, so W is 98, and opposite angles are the same, so X is also 98 degrees. Okay, for this one, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is on the edge of the circle, so opposite angles add up to 180, so if that one's 83, opposite to it as X, therefore X must be 97, make 180. And the same rule for this pair of angles, they'll add up to 180, which means Y must be 72. And then here, these two angles are on a straight line, so Y and Z must add up to 180. If Y is 72, Z must be 108 degrees. Question 4, you notice that they don't actually give you any angles in question 4, they don't tell you the size of anything. So what you had to spot was, what they do tell you is here around the middle, you've got this group of angles. You know they all must add up to 360. So you've got 3U and 2U, so that's 5U. So if 5U is 360 degrees, then 1U must be 360 divided by 5, which is 72. So U is 72. And that makes 2U, so this angle in here, 144. And then we can say, using this angle at centre, angle at edge rule here, this angle is double this angle. So if that one's 144V, this one must be 72. And then we can use the quadrilateral rule here, say opposite angles must add up to 180. So here, if that one was 72, W must be 108. And then we use angles on a straight line, add up to 180. So if W is 108, X must be 72 degrees. Okay, on question 5, what you needed to remember was that this is the centre of the circle. So this line is a radius, and this line is a radius, so they're the same length. So this is an isosceles triangle. If that's an isosceles triangle, then these two angles at the bottom are the same, which means X has to be 63 degrees. And then you can use angles in a triangle, all three have to add up to 180. So 63 add 63 is 126. Take away from 180, Y must be 54. Again, these two must add up to 90 because this is a radius and this is a tangent. The rule that they will meet at 90 degrees. So if X is 63, Z will be 90 minus 63, which is 27 degrees. Okay, C, again, they've marked in for you that these are all the same length. So in this triangle, OBC, if these two are the same, that's 39, U's also 39 degrees. And then you can get V by doing 39 add 39 is 78, take away from 180 is 102 degrees. And then these two are on a straight line, so if V is 102, W must be 78 degrees. And if these are the same length, these two angles are the same. 180 takes 78 is 102, divide that by 2, each one must be 51 degrees.